Today, I would like to share about our sample room. Our sample room has the whole floor, cover about 700 square meters, and this part is for the ranchand and bears. And this part is for the garden series, like the bird feeder. And here are more bears. This side you can find the hanger, bird feeder, and garden stacks. And this part are most of for the wall decors and some ornaments. Here on the floor is the magazine holder and candle holders. And here we have some daily wall decors and also some seasonal ornaments, like for Christmas, like for Halloween, like for the harvest. And also the hanger for the Christmas wreaths. Here is some hawks. And this part is for Christmas. And some bookends, dust wallpaper. And here we come to the garden series. The table and chair set, the plant holder, and the arch. And also, we have a small room for the Halloween, like the entrance and the switch and spider, which can use for the Halloween decoration.